Mrs. Bodechon here. So today we're talking all about the different parts of an atom. So first up, atoms are super tiny. I mean, they are very tiny. If you're putting this in perspective, if you look at a sewing pin, we can fit millions of atoms on the tip of a sewing pin. So we are talking incredibly small, okay? Now, there's two main parts to an atom to begin with, and that's going to be the nucleus, which is the center of the atom, okay? And then the outer portion of the atom we call the electron cloud, or it can be referred to as energy levels or shells, okay? And you're going to hear this called different things depending on what exactly you're talking about with the atom, and you'll learn that as we progress forward. Now, there are 3 subatomic particles inside an atom that you need to be familiar with. They are labeled here, the electron, which are our red dots. You can see that the electrons are located in the electron cloud. Our neutrons, which are represented by the purple dots, are in our nucleus, and the protons, which are the green dots, are located in the nucleus as well. Now, some things you need to know about these subatomic particles is their charge. So electrons are negatively charged particles, neutrons are neutrally charged, and protons are positively charged. The atomic mass is also very important. We say atomic mass unit, or AMU, as its unit of measure, okay? So electrons are so teeny tiny that their mass is so close to zero, we just consider it a zero mass. Now, is that true? Do they really have zero mass? Absolutely not. They really have some mass, right? They are a piece of matter, so they do contain mass, and they do take up space, but it's such a small amount of mass, we're going to consider it zero when we do any of our scientific data, okay? Neutrons and protons both have an equal amount of mass of 1 mu each, all right? So there's lots of different atoms out there, and every atom is going to be a different size. They're going to contain different amounts of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and you're going to see that they all contain different amounts of energy levels in their electron cloud as well. So how do we know this? We know this by looking at the periodic table. The periodic table is a guide, and the more and more you learn how to use the periodic table, the faster you can be at determining the number of protons, neutrons, electrons in your atom, how many energy levels or shells you have in your atom. And this is going to be quick and easy. Keep watching my videos to learn out how to do all of this. Thank you guys. So if you want to keep learning about the periodic table, matter, and atoms, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you guys can see all of my new videos that are coming out. Thank you all so much. Bye guys.